Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Maths class. In this conversation, we are going to discuss about continuation of basic concept and exercise 2.2 related example also. Okay. First, let me recapitulation of yesterday class. So, yesterday actually I have given 3 homework, isn't it? 3 or 4. 1, question number 1, 3, 4 and 5, yeah, 4 homework, isn't it? So let's just I would like to consider question number 3 and 4. So question number 3, what is the question? Question number 3, chapter 2, isn't it? So what is the name of chapter number 2? Complex number. So third actually answer you will get 0, isn't it? So question number exercise 2.1, question number 3, you will get the answer 0. What is the question? Summation of, so n is equal to 1 up to 12, I to the power n. So I to the power n means definitely you have to write 1 to 12. Summation means the total number of addition. So total number of addition means I to the power 1 plus I to the power 2 plus dot 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 I to the power 12. So what we have to split? Definitely you can split it in 3 type. 3 type means if it consider first one I to the power 1, I square, then I cube, then I power 4. Next 5 to 8 means what will happen? I to the power 4 take common outside. So I to the power take common outside means definitely I1 the same first term will be repeat. I to the power 1 to 4 will be repeat. I square, then I cube, then I4. Again last third part also what will happen? Instead of I power 4, definitely we can take common outside I to the power 8. So I to the power 8 means the same 4 time will be repeat. Already you know I means what is I power 1 means anything means I will be repeat. Then I square means what is the value? Minus 1. I cube means already I told you the power of the value to become a divided by 4 less than 1. So less than 1 means minus I will come. So minus I power 4 means I square into I square. I square into I square means minus 1 into minus 1 means so positive 1. So definitely I negative I cancel, minus 1 that is positive 1. Positive 1 cancel. So the same one will be 0. Here also what will happen? 0 will come. The last part also 0 will come. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 means answer will be 0. This is question number 3rd answer, isn't it? So what is the answer for question number 4? So question number 4. Question number 4, I to the power 59 plus 1 by I to the power 59. So first what we have to do? 59 divided by 4. What the answer will come? 59 divided by 4 means, so 1, 4, 1 balance, then 9, 4 4s are 16, balance will be 3 is there. So what is the meaning of 59? 4 into 14 plus 3 will come. So I to the power 59 plus 1 by I to the power 59 means just we have to rearrange 4 to the power 15 into I cube, is it? Because balance we have 3 times, no? I cube. Here 1 plus 1, isn't it? 1 divided by here also I to the power 4 into 14 into I cube. So what is this is we can say definitely because I to the power 4 means value will be 1. 1 power anything means value 1 into I cube plus 1 by I cube is there. So definitely here we have to utilize conjugate, isn't it? Both side we have to multiply into I. I cube means already I told you to become a 1 means less than means minus I will come. Then plus here reciprocal means I divided by I cube into I means power 1 is there. So 3 plus 1 means 4. So I power 4 means value will be 1. So minus I plus I. Here also answer will be 0, isn't it? So both one, isn't it? So question number 3rd and 4th also become a 0. So I hope remaining the part you have done it perfectly. So please listen. And now I am moving to so basic concept of part 2. Okay. So part 2. So part 2. So definitely the first important points, the rectangular form, that is complex number. Chapter name actually complex numbers. First one rectangular form. So again I am telling you, my dear students, without concept definitely you can attempt so different type of the questions. So if you have thorough the concept means, I can assure you can attempt whatever the type of difficult question also. That's why so I am preferring for the concept also. So listen, if you have any doubt, so you can put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, so listen, rectangular form, just to consider for z is equal to x plus iy means what is the name of x? Real part. What is the name of x? The real part. Then what is the name of y? Imaginary part. Imaginary part. So both real and imaginary, it's mixed to one part of the complex number. So x and y is one part of the complex number, that is called rectangular form. Then the same z is a real part and imaginary part. Definitely it's useful for you. Definitely one of the important, some questions they will ask, you have to show purely real, purely imaginary. When you show purely real means the same concept. Okay, z is equal to x plus iy is there. When y is equal to 0 means, when y is equal to 0 means if you apply 0 instead of y means definitely answer will be z is equal to x. That time we can say no, this is called purely real. Purely real. Then when you have to show it's purely imaginary, when x is equal to 0 means definitely z is equal to iy. Then we can say no, purely imaginary. Purely imaginary. So again two important points. Definitely it's useful for you during the exam time. So you have to be alert, even you have to keep in your mind. That is too important. Okay. Then I will continue. Some type of the complex number. Type of the complex number means addition of complex number, subtraction of complex number, multiplication of complex number. Okay, I will consider two different type of the complex. If for example z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1, then z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2. What will happen? How to find out addition of complex number? Addition of complex number. Add it now. z1 plus z2. What will happen? z1 plus z2 is equal to definitely x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2. Then I take common outside means y1 plus y2. Isn't it? So now what is the meaning of subtraction of complex number? Subtraction of complex number. So subtraction of complex number means z1 minus z2, isn't it? Instead of plus, but here look at there, one of the important condition, no? If the example z1 is equal to what is the value? x1 plus iy1, then x2, there is minus, isn't it? There is minus sign. Here minus, no? x2 plus iy2. So definitely x1 minus x2. So x1 minus x2, then plus I into y1 minus y2. That is subtraction of complex number, isn't it? The next condition, multiplication. Okay, so multiplication of complex number. So multiplication of complex number, z1 into z2 is equal to z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1 into x2 plus iy2. So first we have to multiply second term completely with x1. What will happen? x1 into x2, then plus I into y2 into x1. Second part completely multiply with iy1. iy1 means plus I into y1 x2. Last condition very very important. I into I means I square. I square means minus 1. Therefore, we can write it minus y1 y2. Therefore, final line x1 x2, then minus y1 y2, then plus I take common outside means y2 x1. y2 x1. Last condition y1 x2. This is multiplication of complex number. Then one of the important, so when multiplication of complex number, multiplication of complex number, so multiply by I means definitely when multiplication of complex number I consider for Z, by I means whatever you take the Z of the term already you know, consider for x plus iy. X is called real, y is called imaginary. That is same complex number. If you multiply with I means real to become for imaginary, imaginary to become for real. How? Look at there. Okay, Z consider for x plus iy. X is called real, y is imaginary. So I into Z, what will happen? Each and every time multiply with I. So x plus iy. If you remove the bracket means x into I xi, I into I square. I square means value will be minus 1. One of the important points. Okay, I square means minus 1. We can write no minus 1. Therefore, answer will be minus y plus xi. See, so imaginary become to real, real to become imaginary. That is when you happen, when multiplication of complex number is set with I means. Then I will move on some important properties of complex number. Some important properties means before moving to the property, listen, before moving to the property, some position of the term. Position of the term means complex number position as a term, then complex number position from to origin, then without origin. 3 point. Okay, complex number position at a point. Complex number position as a point. Okay, definitely just to consider for Z is equal to 4 plus 3i means definitely the point 4 comma 3, isn't it? So 4 comma 3 means just to consider this is called real part, this is called imaginary part. Imaginary part means just to consider this is x value 4 means y value 3 means position of the term, no? So this is important. This is what is the point actually 4 plus 3i. The same condition complex number position from origin. So from origin means the same point. Complex number position of complex number position from origin. So from origin means what will happen? You have to draw the same one. This is called real part, this is called imaginary part. The same continuation point means you have to draw with origins and meeting at one particular point. That is called from origin. Then without origin means the same one. That without origin means definitely it won't meeting from origin. So one particular distance will be met. That is called complex number as its position without origin. Okay, that is also important. Then I will move on properties of complex number. So properties of complex number. Properties of complex number. First one, closure property. What is the name? So closure property. closure property, when you take the two different type of input, two different type means, okay, for example, two even number means 2 plus 4 is equal to what? The output definitely will come, so 6. So what I am telling, when you take the two different type of the number but even number, but output also we have even number, that is closure property. In case if you consider for the two input different type of odd number, what will happen? Okay, 1 plus 7, then 9 plus 17. So this is odd number, but we have the result also. So look at there, what the output will come? 1 plus 7 means 18. 19 plus 17, definitely 26 will come, isn't it? So 26. So we have the input in odd number, but result we have, what the output we have, both the term will be even. That is non-closure property. That is the difference between closure and non-closure. Okay, one of the important. Then I will move on. Commutative property. So commutative property. When you have Z1 plus Z2, Z1 we have one different type of answer, then Z2 also different type of the answer. This will be equal to Z2 plus Z1. So whatever the answer we have, Z1 plus Z2, opposite side also Z2 plus Z1 will be equal, means that is called commutative. In case Z1 into Z2, one result we have the same output, Z2 into Z1 will be get, it means that is called multiplicative of commutative. Then last one, associative property. Last one, associative property. So associative property, definitely we have three different type of the complex. Okay, Z1, Z2 and Z3. So first Z1 plus Z2, Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3, that is called Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. So what I am saying, Z1, Z2 one result, that answer particular Z3 term will be added, means we will get one result. That is will be equal to, in our cases, Z1, the one particular Z1 of the term we have add with Z2 plus Z3, means we will get answer will be equal. That is associative property. In addition, multiplication means same, Z1 into Z2 into Z3 is equal to Z1 into Z2 into Z3. That is associative property. Okay, you will get it more idea when you going to the example and exercise also. Okay, then this is three type of closure property, commutative property and associative property. Then another one, identity property. So another one, identity property. So identity property, look at there. So identity under addition means that is called additive property. What is the name? Under addition means that is called additive property. Then under multiplication means that is called multiplicative property. Multiplicative property. When you getting additive property, so Z, we have one complex number. When you get this, the result will be same. Add with any zero term means definitely Z will come. Here also Z we have one input. When you get the same result for output, definitely into 1 means we will get it Z. So this is particular only zero term is there, means we need real and imaginary complex part, means we have to add what is the meaning 0 plus 0i. Here 1 we have the real part. If you write with the complex term means there is no imaginary. So what we have to do? So 1 plus 0. This is two important condition. It will helpful for you. So whatever the question type, sometimes you have only the imaginary. So you have to add with real. Real nothing means just add with the 0. As well as you have only the real only. There is nothing true imaginary. So just you have to add with 0i. Okay. This is also useful for you. Okay. I will move on. Example question. So now I am moving to example 2.2. What is the question? Find the value of the real number x and y. So we have to find the real value of x and y if the complex number, given two type of complex number. Okay, solution. So Z1 consider for first term true plus I outside x is there plus 1 minus I outside y is there plus true I minus 3. Then Z true is equal to x plus minus 1 plus true I outside y is there plus 1 plus I. Condition also given clearly or equal, isn't it? Therefore, we can write no Z1 is equal to Z true. What will happen? So, true plus I into x plus 1 minus I into y plus true I minus 3 is equal to x plus minus 1 plus true I to y plus 1 plus I. Then if you remove the bracket means 2 into x, true x plus ix, then 1 into y, y minus I into y minus iy plus true I minus 3 is equal to x minus 1 into y minus y plus true I into y plus true iy plus 1 plus I. Then, so separate real term means true x plus y, then minus 3. Next one, plus I take common outside means x minus y plus true is equal to opposite side x minus y plus 1. Again, plus I take common outside means true y plus 1. Then equating real part on both sides. So, equating real part on both sides. What will happen? True x plus y minus 3 is equal to x minus y. Sorry, maybe this is x minus y plus 1, is it not right? So, x minus y plus 1. Again, plus x bring out opposite side means minus x. Therefore, 2x minus x is equal to positive x. So, minus y bring out opposite side means positive y. Positive y means already here positive is, so x plus true y is equal to minus 3 bring out opposite side means positive 3. So, 1 plus 3 means 4. This is called equation number 1. Again, equating imaginary part on both sides. So, real part is over. So, equating imaginary part on both sides. Imaginary part x minus y plus true is equal to there true y plus 1. Then plus x there is nothing, plus 2y bring out opposite side means minus 2y. Already we have 1 minus. So, minus 3y. Again plus 1 is there, plus 2 bring out opposite side means minus 2. Therefore, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. That is called equation number 2. So, from 1 and true. So, what will happen from 1 and true? From 1 and true, equation number 1, x plus true y is equal to 4. Then x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. So, equation number 2 whole term sign change means minus 1 minus plus, there is also plus. So, what will happen? Plus x minus x cancel. So, plus 2y plus 3y, positive 5y, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 1. So, substitute y in equation number, any one equation. Okay, I was selected for equation number 1. What is equation number 1? X plus true y. X plus true y is equal to 4 means x plus true value only 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to plus 2 bring out opposite sign means minus 2. Therefore, 4 minus 2 means true will come. For verification, it is not necessary for your understanding. Already we found what is the value, x is equal to true and y is equal to 1. Okay. So, we found x is equal to true and y is equal to 1. Okay, I have taken for equation number 2. What is equation number 2? X minus 3y is equal to minus 1. X value already we know true, minus 3 into 1. So, therefore, true minus 3, definitely answer will be minus 1. So, LHS we found minus 1, we know according to the equation number 2 we have the RHS minus, therefore, minus 1 is equal to minus 1 means our answer also correct. Okay, this is actually no need. So, for your understanding, okay, I will move on exercise 2.2. Okay. So listen my dear students, I am moving to continue exercise 2.2. Actually the 2.2 I will do subdivision second and fifth. Okay, I will do subdivision second and fifth. Homework actually question number 1, subdivision 1, third, fourth and sixth do homework. Then third also. Third already you know, just now I completed example 2.2, the same method. Okay, here the term only they have given for change. Okay, do it yourself. So question number 2 also I will do. So don't worry my dear students, I am always with you. So next class I will discuss. So I will give the solution. So some short step, okay, how to find out the answer. So do it yourself. Okay, first try it your own self. Okay, I am continue. Exercise 2.2, question number 2. What is the question? Evaluate the following. Given two conditions. Z is equal to what is the value? 5 minus true I. Then W is equal to minus 1 plus 3I. So, subdivision true condition. Subdivision true condition Z minus IW. Z minus IW. Then subdivision 5, what we have to do? Z square plus true ZW plus W square. Okay, I will do this one. Okay, so first condition Z minus IW. Z minus IW means Z minus IW. Z is equal to what is the value? 5 minus true I, then minus of minus I, W is equal to what is the value? Minus 1 plus 3I. Again 5 minus true I, if you remove the bracket means minus into minus plus, 1 into I, again plus into minus minus. Listen very carefully. First number term 3 is there, I into I square, isn't it? So 3I square. Again 5 minus true I plus I square means already you know minus 1. Okay, I square is equal to what is the value? I square is equal to minus 1. So minus 3 into minus 1. Again 5 minus into minus plus. So definitely we can write now 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Then minus true I plus I. So 8 minus I, our answer for subdivision 2 is Z minus IW. I am moving to subdivision 5. Subdivision 5 question. Z square plus 2ZW plus W square. So Z square is equal to, Z is equal to what is the value? 5 minus true I. So 5 minus true I the whole square. Then plus true into Z is equal to what is the value? 5 minus true I. Then minus 1 plus 3I. Last condition W square. W is equal to minus 1 plus, instead of minus 1 we can write it starting with 3. The formula it will be very easy for you. So 3I minus 1 the whole square. Okay, because if you apply A minus B the whole square starting with negative means it will be very difficult. That's it. Just I interchange real part first, sorry, imaginary part first, real part second. Okay, so first multiply now. A minus B the whole square form. What is the formula? A minus B the whole square? A square minus 2AB plus B square. So A square means 5 square, value will be 25. Then minus 2AB means minus 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20. So minus 20I. Then plus B square. Plus B square means so true I the whole square. So we can write now plus 4I square, isn't it? Next one. True as it is. Again remove the bracket means second time completely multiply with into 5. What will happen? Minus 1 into 5 minus 5. 3 into 5 15. So plus 15I. Next one minus into minus plus true I. Next condition plus into minus minus 3 into 2 6. But I into I square. The last condition. So plus A minus B the whole square form. So A square means 3I square. So 3 square I square means 3 square means 9. I square means minus 1. So we can write now minus 9. Next condition minus 2AB. Minus 2AB means minus 2 into 3 6. There 1 is there. So minus 6I. Next condition, listen very carefully. Then last one. So plus 1 will come. Now look at there, the first one, I square means minus 1. So we can write now minus 4. Therefore 25 minus 4 means 20 minus 20i. Next condition, plus true. Inside what will happen? Look at there. So minus 5. Here I square is there. So I square means minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 6 means positive 6 will come. Therefore minus 5, positive 6 plus 15i plus 2i. We can write no, plus 17i. Last condition, plus minus 9 plus 1. Minus 8 minus 6i, isn't it? Minus 6i. So here 20 minus 20 as it is equal to 20 minus 20i. Then inside true as it is. Then inside minus 5 plus 6 means positive 1. 1 plus 17i. Third term, remove the bracket means minus 8 minus 6i. Again 20 minus 20i. Remove the bracket, plus 1 into 2, positive 2. So 7 into 2 means 34. So plus 34i. So minus 8 minus 6i. Again you have to equate in grouping for real and imaginary term means 20 real, again plus 2 real, then minus 8 is there, isn't it? So minus 8. Then next condition, what do you have to do? 20 plus 2 there, minus 20i, 20 plus 2, then minus 8. So listen very carefully. So 20, 22, isn't it? Here correct or wrong? So minus 4. Sorry my dear, 25 minus 4 means here 21 will come, isn't it? So 25 minus 4 means 21 will come. So definitely here 21. So here also 21. Here also 21, isn't it? Now check it there. 21 plus 2 minus 8, then minus 20i, then plus 34i, then minus 6i, isn't it? Again 21 plus 2, 23. So 23 minus 8 means 15. So real term 15. Then so minus 20, this is over, no? Then here minus 20 minus 6 means minus 26. So minus 26 plus 34 means definitely positive 8i. So answer will be 15 plus 8i will come. Okay, this is answer for subdivision 5. Okay, so important. So the step, if you make any one line will be mistake means our final answer also you will struggle. So if it struggle means time will be gone. Okay, so you have to do very careful each step by step. Okay, so I will continue the second problem from exercise 2.2. Okay, I am moving to exercise 2.2, question number 2. Okay, what is the question? Given the complex number, one term is there, z is equal to 2 plus 3a. Represent the complex number in organ diagram. First we have to find out z, iz and z plus iz. After find out the three answer, just we have to draw in organ plane. Okay, so first condition solution I am considering for equation number 1. So z is equal to given, what is the condition? 2 plus 3i. This is what is the coordinate point? 2 comma 3. Then next one iz, I into 2 plus 3i. Again if you remove the bracket means 2 into I, 2i, then plus 3i square. I square value already we know, minus 1. Therefore 2i minus 3 will come. So this is coordinate point. So always I told you should be write it real part first. So minus 3 plus 2i means the coordinate point minus 3 comma true. Then last condition z plus iz. Z is equal to, we know, 2 plus 3i, then plus I into 2 plus 3i. Again 2 plus 3i. Remove the bracket means 2 into I, 2i, 3i into I, 3i square, isn't it? So 3i square. Therefore, so 2 plus 3i plus 2i, then I square means minus 1. We can write no minus 3. Therefore, 2 minus 3 minus 1. Again, true I plus 3i means positive 5i. This is coordinate point minus 1 comma positive 5. So, 3 answer we have to draw in organ plane. This is called real part. This is called imaginary part. Maximum up to 5, isn't it? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. What we have to do the first coordinate 2 comma 3. So, 2 comma 3 means 2 x-axis, 3 y-axis. This is what is the name? This is called Z. So, 2 comma 3. Second condition minus 3 comma 2. X is equal to minus 3 is equal to 2, isn't it? Just approximate meeting the point. So, this is actually what is the meaning? This is IZ. So, IZ point minus 3 comma 2. Minus 3 comma 2. Third point minus 1 comma 5. X is equal to minus 1, isn't it? So, point will meet it here. So, this is called Z plus IZ, isn't it? Z plus IZ means minus 1 comma 5. Okay, this is subdivision 1. I am moving to subdivision 2. So, subdivision 2, the same condition is in the point actually 2 plus 3i means the coordinate points 2 comma 3. Then, but here minus, isn't it? Minus IZ. So, minus IZ means minus I in the Z part 2 plus 3i. Again, if you remove the bracket means minus 2i, then plus into minus minus 3i square, isn't it? So, again minus 2i, I square means minus 1, already we have common minus. So, minus into minus plus, so plus 3 will come. Therefore, answer will be 3 minus 2i, that is coordinate point 3 comma minus 2. Then third one is Z minus IZ, isn't it? So, Z is equal to, we know 2 plus 3i minus I into 2 plus 3i. Again 2 plus 3i, remove the bracket means minus 2i plus into minus minus 3i square. Again 2 plus 3i minus 2i, I square means minus 1. Therefore, plus 3. Answer will be 5 plus 3i minus 2i means 5 plus I will come. That is coordinate point 5 comma 1. So, the same condition you have to draw, that is homework. Okay, that is graph organ plan I didn't draw. For do your homework. So, just to try to your own self. So, first you have to draw real part and imaginary part, and just you have to mention each and every coordinate point. Okay, so please listen, my dear students. I hope you are very satisfied in this conversation. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, I will continue the next class. Bye bye.